the things that you say, where they make you feel alright. And I catch a vibe anytime that I look in your face. Tell me why you look so fine, baby girl. I see you, wanna ride you like a bicycle, and you they blow my mind from my mind ago. And I no go lie, you light up my life. And when she tell me my love is your love, baby, she don't want the Gucci or the Fendi, 'cause she give me butterflies in my belly. Ooh Lord, and when she tell me my love is your love, baby, if my wood is running, baby, she gon' save me, 'cause she give me butterflies in my belly. Ooh Lord, 'cause your love is crazy, girl, love is crazy. You amaze me, you amaze me. Other girls them only really want to play me, but when I day with you, I realize love don't cost a dime. Love is crazy, you amaze me, you amaze me. All them other girls they really want to play me, but when I day with you, love don't cost a dime. My baby, love don't cost a dime. My baby, love don't cost a dime.
I blow your candle lights. You know I'm just that type. No, them no fit kill my vibe. Them no fit kill my vibe. Them no fit kill. Them no fit kill. Them no fit kill my wise man said, follow the stars. Yeah, you shall find them. It's a bad fight. If you hit your enemies, enemies shine. If you're not a friend of me, enter the light. Cause you can never kill my vibe. Got there with no sacrifices. Everything was taken. You had to make it. Vibe killer, me I no go take shit. Vibe killer, love is somebody done. Protect my energy from your bad aura. From my past don't say I be my healer, everything I desire. I go to see my everything flow like a river. If you get sour, come on, go and sit down. I go just para, come on, my jigger. I go just follow my dream. I'm feeling vibes on vibes. I'm taking dynamite. I blow your candle lights. You know I'm just that light. No, nothing kill my vibe. Nothing kill my vibe. You nothing kill, you nothing kill, you nothing kill my vibe. I see you watching my stories. I see you getting my lifestyle. I see you watching my movement. This bad bitch bad every day. I know they look on your face. Bad man bad every day. Get on your knees and pray. Do you regain your faith? Vibe killer, love is somebody can protect my energy from your hard aura. Let my past don't say I be my healer, everything I desire. I go to see my rhythm flow like a river. If you get sour, come on, go and sit down. I go just para, come on, my jigger. I go just follow my dreams. I'm feeling vibes on vibes. I'm taking dynamite. I blow your candle lights. You know I'm just that type. No, nothing kill my vibe.
Tell me why you're crying, how can it be to you? When you gave me something I don't really feel, but you knew that already. When I found you on the ground, you were jolly. Now you come into my yard uninvited. Come you see me on the edge, I'm enlightened. If the world was dead, would you cry or would you try to get it? Tell me now, but I want you to be clear, yeah. Tell me now, I need you to be clear, yeah. I will wait for you, for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you. Man, you put the time on a rewind, yeah. Help me understand, can you tell me now why you made a war that was fighting now? And you fall and you run when you see my big guns run around. for me, I bump, but then you go again. With your dab, yeah, open your mind to the sound of the trumpet. What do you want from a life of the hopeless? Now here you are, you're begging and crying. I want to fly, yeah, I'm flying to morning. Running away to the land of discovery. Running away from the suffering I'm gone, yeah. Running away from the darkness I'm out, yeah, yeah. I don't know the limits. Going way beyond the noise and your feelings. When you speak, all I can hear is silence. Turning back from all the pain and violence. Big tunes, now it's big tunes. I'm really right now from the side now. Come on, then calm down when you see me. You know that I was there for you. I will wait for you, for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you, for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you.
Come up with a kind of killer. This young love getting me from my body. I want like to wear my light. This young color no be fake. My banana, touch up my banana. Show me power, and me love my life. It's my like, I want to dance.
Some people are gonna think that I'm crazy, but I don't care. All that matters to me is Isaiah.
Shawty made that ass clap, she don't need no flow. High fashion, like Goya, G-Wagon, or the Rover. I put some ice on you 'cause you got it cold. I know I gotta keep my shawty on the go. Drop that ass to the floor. You ain't gotta do it on these niggas no more. I've been in fiends, is that okay? Is it okay if I call you my pride, baby? I ain't no player, I just got a lot of faith. But let me tell you, I like you a lot of faith. I wanna start at the top and keep my shorty on the go-go. Drop that ass to the floor, yeah. Shawty made that ass clap, she don't need no clothes. High fashion, like 𝘗𝘳𝘥𝘴𝘦𝘥 for the rover. I put some ice on you cause you got a cold. I know I gotta keep my shorty on the go. Drop that ass to the floor, yeah. You ain't gotta do it, none of these niggas no more. If we hop in the Benz, is that okay? Is it okay if I call you my pride, baby? I ain't no player, I just got a lot of faith. But let me tell you, I like you a lot of faith. I wanna start at the top and the bottom, baby. Now you want to shoot with the head at the bottom, baby. You know I like when you right at the top.
Always felt like my vision lived bigger than a bigger picture. Crazy how you gotta wait until it's dark out to see who really with you. Crazy how even when it miss you, shit'll come back around and get you. Crazy like all my niggas. Crazy like all my niggas. Remember I deleted all my other girls' numbers out the phone for you. Remember when you had to take the bar exam I drove in the snow for you. Yeah, you probably don't remember half the shit a nigga did for you. Yeah, you ain't really fuck with me way back then, but how about now? Cause I'm up right now. And you suck right now. Oh, you thought you had it all figured out back then, but how about now? Cause I'm up right now. And you suck right now. Yeah, you thought the little effort that you put in was enough, girl. How about now? Yeah, girl, how about now? How about now, girl? What about now, girl? How about now? Now. Yeah, always been daddy's little angel. I bought your dad a bunch of shit for Christmas, he ain't even say thank you. I had no money left from acting, I was focused on the music. I used to always try and burn your CDs and my new shit. You be like, who's this? I be like, me, girl. You be like, oh, word, true shit. Then ask if we can listen to Ludacris. Car rides made me feel like I was losing it. Yeah, made me feel like I ain't have it like that. I was average like that. Started drinking way more than I used to. People form habits like that, girl. Yeah, man enough to tell you I was hurt that year. I'm not even Christian, I still went to church that year. Guess I just had to attend that year. I ain't even see my friends that year. That should've been. You ain't really fuck with me way back then, but how about now? Cause I'm up right now. And you suck right now. Oh, you thought you had it all figured out back then, girl. How about now? Cause I'm up right now. And you suck right now. Yeah. Thought the little effort that you put in was enough, girl. How about now? Yeah. Girl, how about now? How about now, girl? What about now, girl? How about now?
I blow your candle lights. You know I'm just that type. No, them no fit kill my vibe. Them no fit kill my vibe. Them no fit kill. Them no fit kill. Them no fit kill my wise man said, follow the stars. Yeah, you shall find them. It's a bad fight. If you hit your enemies try. If you're not a friend of me, enter the light. Cause you can never kill my vibe. Got there with no sacrifices. Everything was taken. You had to make it. Vibe killer, me I no go take it. Vibe killer, love is somebody talk. Protect my energy from your bad aura. From my past say I be my healer, everything I desire. I go to see my everything flow like a river. If you get sour, come on, one sit down. I go just para, come on, find jigger. I go just play, follow my dream. I'm feeling vibes on vibes. I'm taking dynamite. I blow your candle lights. You know I'm just that light. No, nothing kill my vibe. Nothing kill my vibe. You nothing kill, you nothing kill, you nothing kill my vibe. I see you watching my stories. I see you get vibe killer. Love is somebody can protect my energy from your padora. Let my pastor say I be my healer, everything I desire. I go receive my rhythm, flow like a river. If you get your walk, come on, go and sit down. I go just para, come on my jigger. I go just follow my dreams. I'm feeling vibes on vibes. I'm thinking dynamite. I blow your candle lights. You know I'm just that type. Oh, don't think you my vibe.
Tell me why you're crying, how can it be to you? When you gave me something I don't really feel, but you knew that already. When I found you on the ground, you were darling. Now you come into my yard uninvited. Come you see me on the edge, I'm a larger.